Hi, how are you? If I looked a little scary today, I was just trying out some new makeup and I don't think I can pull off this bright blue and a terrible wing liner. If you watched my recent video where I did my project pan update, I was saying how I never use my eyeliner, so I just tried and I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and I just think I look kind of scary and it's like 1 p.m. Maybe this will be more appropriate later tonight. But anyways, I'll stop rambling. Literally just got my mail and my Love with Food box came. I was thinking it was going to be my Sephora play, but that must be tomorrow. So this is my last Love with Food tasting box. I received it on Groupon and then I forgot to cancel and I renewed for another 3 months. Usually I can't eat everything that comes in these. I'm kind of hungry right now, so I'm hoping that there's something I could have. So this is a healthy snack subscription box if you're unfamiliar with it. It's really affordable. It's $7 a month and you get about like 8 snacks or something like that, so you can like try it out, see if you like it, and then purchase it online if you do. And they do offer a gluten-free option, I know, and a deluxe box. I will leave the link below if you want to check out their website. A great thing about this box is that they do donate to people who are hungry and in need of some food, so when you purchase that, you can feel a little bit better about your purchase. But anyways, I'm just gonna open it. When you open it, it says thank you. It talks about how you're giving back when you purchase this box. And then there's a piece of paper on here that says, kindness is contagious. It says, at Love with Food by Snack Nation, we're on a mission to inspire more conscious food decisions. We do that by connecting you with delicious, healthier food you love. So that's nice. I think that's true. When you're around kind people, don't you just feel better and like you want to do kind stuff? Alright, the first thing I see looks yummy. Think Thin Protein Cakes, chocolate cake flavored. Okay, this looks awesome. And I was vegan for so long and I recently kind of became vegetarian since I was out of the country and it was a little bit harder to eat. And so I probably can't eat these and I probably will. These look so good. Is it focusing? 1 second. Okay, now I think it is. So this whole package is 170 calories, not bad. And how much protein is in there? 12 grams of protein. Awesome. I shouldn't have this right now. Maybe, I don't know. I'm going out to dinner probably in a couple hours. But it's like I already had a smoothie for lunch. Like 2 hours ago. I'm like in that in-between stage. So I'll probably have something from here. But oh, so this is RX nut butter. I know RX makes like bars, protein bars. So this has it's nut butter that has 1 egg white, 27 peanuts, half a date, and no BS. So even their peanut butters have the egg whites, because I know this is how their bars look like, but this is the peanut butter package. Okay, awesome. Okay, now the next thing I see I cannot eat. This is beef jerky. But I guess it's like a healthy kind. So, I don't know. I have like other stuff from this box from last month that's not expired. Can you do food as giveaways? I'm gonna look into it. I might have a giveaway with like snacks, because I don't really have anyone to share this stuff with. So this next thing looks good. This is a maple sea salt bar by Gold Bar. It has 12 grams of protein, 10 cashews, 2 pecans, 2 dates, and sea salt. I like how all these have like the exact ingredients on them. How many calories is this, do you think? This is 230 calories. So this would be like a good breakfast bar or something. I like to keep these in my bag, like especially if I'm doing something all day long. So that looks good. Okay, this box is better than last month. If you watched my last month's Love with Food box, I was like pretty crabby during it, I think, because I was like, I can't eat any of this. Oh, yum. Crave and Rave, Spikers, bite-sized crackers, and Heavenly Ranch. I haven't had ranch flavored stuff in so long, and this looks good. And this whole package is 100 calories, so that's a perfect size snack. Maybe this is what I'll have before I go out later. Nice, and it's baked, not fried. This looks super good. If you guys have tried any of these things, let me know in the comment section. Okay, this looks so good too. This is a Cooper Street Chewy Granola Bake Bar, 110 calories, and the flavor is blueberry pomegranate. Okay, this box is, besides the meat jerky thing, is totally making me wish I was still gonna get this, because I love snacks, even though I'm bad. I like eat all the snacks like in a day or two. Okay, I like this company. I've had them before. Half Pops Curiously Crunchy Popcorn in black truffle and sea salt. And this whole thing is 100 calories. See, like, aren't these good snack ideas? So if you like it, you can go online and get them. I've never done that, but maybe I will do that in the future. But like I said, I just eat everything in my house, so I try to have like minimal. Like, it kind of stinks like I have only healthy food, and then I end up ordering something bad, but like, so that doesn't really work. So I don't know, I'm trying to figure it out. I did work out today. I did some Zumba. I had played this dancing game the other day. I was like, maybe I should start dancing to work out because it doesn't really feel like much of a workout. I tried Zumba for the first time. Like, when I was younger, I thought that was so goofy. So I think I'm gonna try and do that. It was like, I was sweating my butt off after like 15 minutes. That's like all I could handle because you really are like getting down the whole time, you know? And it's a good workout. But so I'll stop talking about Zumba, but I'm trying to get healthy is my point. Oh, so there's some coupons in here for like Keurig. I have a Keurig, I love it. Hello Fresh. I feel like I get these coupons in a lot of boxes. I really should try it. Lola, period products you can trust. And then Celtics. It looks like it's some clothing that is not Florida appropriate. It looks like it's more like the Midwest or anywhere but this hot place. So I think that's everything, right? Yeah. So I'm happy with it. Let's see, how many did we get? 1, 2, 3. So we got 7 snacks. So that would make it like about $1 each because I spent $7 on this, and I think it's free shipping. So I mean, I can eat everything but one item, so I'm happy with it. Like, I don't know, I'll have to figure out something to do with this or just get rid of that beef jerky. But I am like, right now in my head, I'm like, what am I gonna eat now? So this is probably my favorite month of this box. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you guys have any healthy tips for me to have my weight loss journey, hopefully, my get healthy journey, I should call it. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'll let you guys go, and thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll leave the link below, and don't forget, if you have not already, enter my 2 giveaways going on. One is ending the 21st, that is the Advanced Derma Roller System Kit giveaway, and that is a $200 value. And then I have my personal giveaway, which is the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and that ends on the 31st of this month. Oh, look, get a little debut from my cat, Emmy. But yeah, make sure you enter, and it's open internationally, just so you know. So have a great day, guys. See you tomorrow.